Okay, in this video I want to demonstrate how to use a web app to find areas. The site I'll use is stattrack.com, and I'm going to try to use it to find the cumulative area corresponding to a z-score of 0. So we just want this area that's pictured here. We want it to say 0.5. So when I go to the calculator, it already has the mean and the standard deviation of the standard normal curve in there. All you have to do is type in the z that you want. So let's put in a z of 0 here. Leave the cumulative probability box blank, and then just hit calculate. And there you go. It gives you the probability, which is the another name for the area. Alright, so let's try a z of 1 now. Problem is, though, you do have to clear the old output because it wants you to leave one box blank. So hit calculate there. Okay, 0.84. Now what if you want to do the reverse? What if you want to plug in an area and get a z-score? Well, then you want to plug that into this box. Like, let's say we want to do 0.5. What's the z-score that goes with an area of 0.5? Well, it should say 0. Perfect. Now let's try 0.84. Okay, it's a z-score of approximately 1. Now let's try 0.95. What is the z-score that goes with that? 1.645. It's an easy tool to use, and it can make calculations of areas a little bit faster than using the tables.